Hello, I'm in a 2014 Hyundai Sonata, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is. Make sure your radio is turned on, which this will turn it on. Then from here, you can either click this phone button to start your prompts, or you can go to your setup, and then here we can go to phone, and then you can scroll to the options of what we're trying to do. And there is a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete one before we can add one. So this is a limit of 5 phones. So we'll select this, and then we'll just select one at random to delete. So here on 3 we'll delete. So we're now clearing up room, so now we'll have an open spot for this new phone to add. So okay, and you can use these as well versus just scrolling with this. So now we got an open spot, so we'll do pair phone. Select that.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
That's this button here, this Bluetooth. So if you push and hold that off, and that'll bring you to a pairing menu. So
on your device, select the device name that matches car name on the screen.
Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Sometimes you might have to restart your phone a few times or the car to get it to work, but usually the first time it should pop right up. So there's Sonata. So, and then it wants us probably to type a PIN in. So it's got these random digits that it pops up. So pair, and it did match what it said on the screen here.
The contact download is starting. Some phones require additional confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
And you can save your phone's usually as like a favorite, so it'll try to auto connect to your phone first. But at this point, you should be able to listen to music, take phone calls. Some newer models, you might be able to sync up maps and things like that as well. But that's it. And then if you're having issues playing music, the first thing I would try is going through your media options. If there's like an aux button, you might try that as well. But in there, this media, we see now we have Bluetooth audio. So now if you're playing music from your phone, you should be able to hear it through the vehicle with the volume here. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.